Hello, I'm gonna make a tutorial on transitions in CapCut. I'm very bad at explaining, so sorry. First, you need to do your project. Name it whatever you want. Make sure your resolution is in high definition. Now, what do you do next you're watering? I literally have no idea what to do, just joking. I'm an expert on here. So, now, you need a photo ready for you to use. I'll explain how to make it later. Place a thing in the position you want. Oof, this is long editing. Go into Magic Eraser and ignore the ads. Then choose a photo you want to use and first crop it. Second, just press anywhere you want to delete and then it will do it for you. The blocks won't be here. Press the one with the blocks and then press high resolution. It's the best. Now, go out. Sorry, there's glitches in CapCut, so I can't do anything. Okay, now you need to add your second layer, which will be on top of the bottom layer, which is the top. Select what you want, and then if you ever need, you can just press and hold the row and then it will move. So I've got my arm, better flip it or else it'll look weird. Have it in this position. So here I'll be showing you all the different transitions you can get, the movement of the transitions. So yeah. My favorite transition is this one. I like how it moves. So now I'm actually kind of not happy with the placement, so I'm gonna lower it. And I have to do all this again. See you later.